going?
A little nervous, but I'm really excited.
Yeah, what's your name?
I'm Emily.
Emily, what are you so excited for? What's going on?
Skydiving today.
All right. First time?
It is.
Yeah. A bit nervous too, huh?
A little.
Yeah.
I'm more excited than nervous.
Yeah,
so.
can you see if your hand if you're shaking? Ooh.
Just a little bit.
All right, do you have anything to say friends and family back home?
Love you guys. I know everything will go great, but may as well say it anyway. I love you.
All right, have fun, see you in the sky.
Thank you.
Only 6 o'clock in the morning and my heartbeat is out of control. 10 minutes into boarding, feels like I'm about to explode. Time for the ride up, tension started to swirl. I can't believe I'm gonna free fall from the top of the world. Senses peaked with a crazy anticipation. Feeling like this, tell me how the hell can I be patient? Jumpsuit rig, Google helmet all in place. Double checking just in case. I'm elated, baby, freedom one green light away, and I just can't wait.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah.
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step out, all it takes for me to touch the sky. So amazing, so liberating. 12,000 feet, AGL, so breathtaking. Belly down, box me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria, wish it could last forever. From this day on, nothing can stop us from getting back together.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. I love the sky, baby. 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 I love the sky.
All right.
Oh my gosh, I'm shaking.
What's the best part?
Everything was awesome.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you.
Welcome back to Earth.